In today's video, we're highlighting 3 of the best gym workout apps for Android. Whether you're looking to plan your workouts, track your progress, or find new exercises, these apps have got you covered. Let's dive in and check out what each one has to offer. Gym Workout VE Personal Trainer. Gym Workout VE Personal Trainer is an all-in-one app designed to help users achieve their fitness goals through structured workout plans and personal training guidance. The app offers a wide range of exercises targeting various muscle groups, complete with detailed descriptions and instructional videos. Users can customize their workout routines based on their fitness levels and goals, whether they aim to lose weight, build muscle, or enhance endurance. Additionally, the app features progress tracking tools, allowing users to monitor their workouts and performance over time. With its user-friendly interface and comprehensive training resources, this app is ideal for both beginners and experienced gym-goers. Gym Workout Tracker. Gym Workout Tracker is a straightforward app focused on helping users keep track of their workout sessions effectively. The app allows users to log exercises, sets, reps, and weights lifted, providing a clear overview of their training progress. With features for custom workouts and stats tracking, users can easily identify areas for improvement and set personal records to strive for. The intuitive design makes it easy to enter data quickly during workouts, and the app can generate reports to analyze trends over time. Whether you're looking to maintain your current routine or push for new personal bests, Gym Workout Tracker is a handy tool to support your fitness journey. Gym Day Workout Planner Vlog. Gym Day Workout Planner Vlog is a versatile app that seamlessly combines workout planning with progress tracking. Users can create personalized workout plans based on their specific fitness goals and available equipment. The app features a robust exercise database, making it easy to select exercises that fit into their routines. Gym Day allows users to log their workouts with ease and track their progress through statistics and history logs. Additionally, the app offers reminders and scheduling features to help users stay consistent with their fitness regimes. With its focus on both planning and logging, Gym Day is perfect for those who want to optimize their gym experience and stay accountable. Thanks for watching our video on the best gym workout apps for Android. We hope these recommendations help you enhance your fitness journey and achieve your goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fitness content. See you next time.